Welcome back to the channel. If you are just starting out with Adobe Photoshop, one of the most fundamental skills you need to master is how to get your images into the workspace correctly. Whether you are opening a file to start a brand new project or importing graphics into an existing design, knowing the right workflow will save you massive amounts of time in your creative process. In this video, I will walk you through the 3 easiest ways to open and import images in Photoshop like a pro. If you find this guide helpful, please take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy design tutorials. Let's dive right in. The first and most common method is opening an image directly as a new document. This is ideal when you want to start your editing project from scratch. First, open your Photoshop application. Navigate to the top menu bar, click on File, and then select Open. A window will appear allowing you to browse your local computer files. Simply select the image you want to work on and click the Open button. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+O on Windows or Command+O on Mac, which is a total lifesaver for your workflow speed. Once you click Open, Photoshop creates a brand new document specifically for that image using its original dimensions and settings. Method number 2 is even faster if you like keeping your workspace clean. You can use the drag and drop feature. Make sure your Photoshop window is visible on your screen, then open the file directory or folder on your computer where your image is saved. Click and hold the file, then simply drag it directly into the Open Photoshop interface. Photoshop will instantly recognize the file and open it for you, saving those extra clicks through the menus. Finally, there is the third method, which is vital for graphic design: importing images into an existing project. Many beginners make the mistake of using the Open command when they really need to place an image inside a design they are already building. If you are working on a flyer, a YouTube thumbnail, or a poster, you want your images to arrive as a new layer rather than a separate document. To do this, open your existing Photoshop project, go to the top menu and click on File, then select Place Embedded. Again, navigate to your file, select it, and click Place. You will see transform handles appear around your image, allowing you to resize it immediately. Once you are happy with the size and positioning, simply press Enter on your keyboard to finalize. This turns your image into a new editable layer within your project. Here's a quick pro tip. Always use Place Embedded for logos, overlay photos, or graphic elements, as it keeps your project file organized and non-destructive. Mastering these 3 simple techniques will drastically improve your efficiency from day one. I hope this tutorial helped you get started on the right foot. If you learned something new today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest design lessons. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.